Let's learn O. Well, today we want to learn another vowel in Persian alphabet, and actually we should say Persian language now because we're done with the alphabet. Now, this one's sound O, O, just like what we have in English. O, O. Now listen to me. Ordak, 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 ordak. Ordak is the same as duck in English. Ordak, duck. Listen again. Shotor, shotor, shotor. Shotor is the same as camel in English. Now I want you to pay attention to the sound you hear. Try to analyze that. Let's go to the first one. Ordak, ordak. What sound do you hear in the beginning of this word? Yes, O, ordak. At the beginning we hear O. Pay attention to me again. Shotor, shotor. What do you hear now? The first sound is sh, but after sh we have sh, o, sho. So the second sound is O. This O makes sh become like sho, sh, sho. Just like what a, and a does to other consonants. Let's go and see what this is all about. Look here. Again, looks familiar with a little difference between this and previous vowels. This one is not capital, this one is not lowercase or small. They are just different types of O that we use in different places in a word. Look at the first one. This one is, this and this little thing that looks like V. Very good. Looks like a very small V. Remember? U, V. We had it in alphabet previous season. So it's this small V that we put above this. And here it's alone and still small and comes above the line. Above the line. So far we have A, which has a hat above the line, A above the line, and O above the line. But it's just A, which is under the line. This one always comes at the beginning of a word. Look here. Look at this red part. Ordak, ordak. I hear the sound O, so as it is the first sound that I hear, I know that this one comes at the beginning of this. O, ordak. What about when I hear it in the middle of that word? Shotor. It has two O's in the middle. So which one of these I use? This one. So it's here and here. Shotor. See? In the middle. Shotor. And together, after practicing, we say shotor. It's in the middle. Easy, isn't it? Let's go and see what are our practices for next session. So for next session, just like before, in one page, one line for this one, write down this one, and another line, this one. Because I want you to practice and differentiate these by those that we had before, okay? And instead of saying duck, we say ordak. Instead of saying camel, we say shotor. And one more thing, again, try to notice, try to analyze, try to understand when you hear a word, a Persian word, try to understand where this O sound comes. When it's in the beginning, it's this one, and when it's in the middle, it's this one. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next session, and until then, bye.